welcome to all of you to this special ceremony, the Rewards and Recognition Ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, in these 3 days, we have heard ideas and innovations and the best of the solutions coming to the floor, and it is time now to reward, recognize and appreciate these ideas, starting with the Smart Cities India Award. So we start with the first category, which is the Best City Governance Initiative. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Belagavi Smart City Limited. The next category on the screen, Best Cultural Innovations. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Ujjain Smart City Limited. We move to the next category, that's the Best Social Aspect Project Award. And the winner is Belagavi Smart City Limited. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this time in the category of the Best Social Aspect Project Award. And we move to the next category, the Innovation and Technology Implementation. Ladies and gentlemen, among the three, the winner is Nashik Smart City. Next category, Smart Building and Infrastructure. And the winner is Aizwal Smart City Limited. Moving to the next category, the Smart Sanitation Solution. And the winner among them is Ujjain Smart City Limited. Moving to the next category, the Smart Urban Environment, and the winner is Mod Foundation. The next, these are some special mention awards which we would like to make. These are special projects which have made an impact at the ground level. We have the award for the Best Green Building Infrastructure. And ladies and gentlemen, recognition, appreciation to Ranchi Smart City Corporation Limited. Moving to the next special award for the Best Heritage and Historic Architecture and Landmarks Preservation. And ladies and gentlemen, our appreciation to Kanpur Smart City Limited. The next is the award for the Best Retrofit Green Spaces. And here, ladies and gentlemen, our appreciation to Ludhiana Smart City Limited. The next award is for the Best Solid Waste Management Practice. And herein, our appreciation to Chandigarh Smart Cities Limited. We have the next special recognition for the Greenfield Smart and Sustainable Industrial City, and herein the appreciation to National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation Limited. To the next category, that's the award for innovation in real estate, and appreciation to Newtown Kolkata Green Smart City Corporation Limited. Category, that is for the adoption of smart advanced technology, and our recognition to Pimpri Chinwad Smart City Development Corporation Limited. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the best of the best are going to be walking the red carpet. We have the Best City Leader of the Year award and our appreciation to CEO Srinagar Smart City. Moving on to the next category, we have the Best Smart City of the Year. Indore Smart City. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have Indore Smart City, the Best Smart City of the Year award. And we now move to the FinTech India Innovation Awards, where we recognize the innovations and emerging technologies which are disrupting the financial sector. And we begin with the very first award, the FinTech Awards, the Best Customer Experience Solution. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Datamatics Global Services Limited. The next is the Best FinTech Startup. The winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Slice. Moving on to the next, that's the Best Use of AI in FinTech. And the winner among them is Invincible Meta.ai. To the next category, that's the Best Use of Blockchain in FinTech. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, National Securities Depository Limited. Moving to the next category, that's Best Digital Lending Solution, and the winner among them is BharatPe. And we move to the next category, that's the FinTech for Financial Inclusion, and the winners are Whirl and 197 Communications. And now the second winner, 197 Communications. Moving to the next category, that's the FinTech Product of the Year. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Airtel Payments Bank, the face authentication based KYC. To the next category, that's the Best FinTech Company of the Year. And the Best FinTech Company of the Year is VerySmart.ai. Now from the companies to the leader, we have the Best FinTech Leader. Ladies and gentlemen, the leader, Vijay Shekhar Sharma, the Managing Director, Paytm. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Special Startup Hub Award. Now, this is the award for creating a thriving startup ecosystem, and this is being presented to Kerala Startup Mission. Kerala Startup Mission for excellence in creating a vibrant startup ecosystem. And this is an award with which, in fact, it reflects the legacy which is being carried further by Ms. Chandrika and Mr. Dhruv Bahl. The legacy which has been created by the stalwart, the visionary, who is not physically present with us, but he continues to guide us. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a tribute to late Shri Prem Bahl, the Prem Bahl Excellence Award.
And the winner is GoHemp Agro Ventures.
And thank you to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, for being a part of this transformative journey, together charting this course, this path towards a more sustainable, resilient, a better future for all of us and a better planet. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.